Masaccio created Holy Trinity somewhere between 1225 and 1228 at the Santa Maria Novella in Florence, Italy. This fresco was one of his last before he passed away at the age of 27. This is very much a showcase of the execution of Jesus, but it also features the Trinity of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, as well as Mary and Saint John. The work is unique because it incorporates this linear perspective that he would have learned from Filippo Brunelleschi, who would become one of the leading members of that school of thought as things were moving much more toward the Renaissance. That linear perspective was used to create a more realistic depiction of space, and each figure is roughly life-size. So this is a huge work, creating a spatial illusion that the viewer is finding themselves within the work as they view it.
We call a sin sin.